First of all, I would like to welcome all of you guys in the lesson number 17 for grade 1 mathematics. Guys, in the last class, we discussed about the topic before, after, and between. And we completed the question number 1 and question number 2 of the practice zone, which was on page number 22. A quick revision for that. First, then we will start a new topic, comparing numbers. So in before, after, and between, guys, you learned about how to find out the number which is before a particular number, after a particular number, or which is between two numbers. So with the help of number track, you can easily find out like what number is after 59. So you will find out where is 59. This is 59. So just the next box after 59 will be the number which comes after 59, that is 60. Or when you count, when you start counting from 59, what number comes next? That is 60. That means 60 comes after 59. Same here, guys. This is 70. And what number comes before 70? For that, you will check here where is 70. This is 70. And what number is exactly before 70? For that, you will check the previous box of 70. This is 69. Or from 70, when you count back, what number you find? That will be 69. Then the C was 55. 55. Where is 55? This is 55. What is the next number? In order to find that, you will check the next box, 56. Or when you count on after 55, when you start counting, so what the number comes after 55? What comes next? That is 56. Same here, 60 or 61. What comes before 61? This is 61, and before 61 is 60. The third concept we learned about that is between. So for finding out the between, you will check the numbers 62 and 64. What number comes between 62 and 64? That is 63. Or you can check what number comes after 62. In that way, you can also write either what number comes after 62 or what number comes before 64. In both way, you can find out the answer. Same here, 56 and 58. This is 56 and this is 58. After 56, what comes? 57. Or before 58, what comes? 57. 90, 91, 92. 90. After 90, what comes? 91. So this is the answer. So guys, we finished that topic. Is there any problem in the topic? Before, after, and between?
No.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys, if you have any problem in the topic before, after, or between, you can send the message. I'll make you understand again. Okay. If any one of you did not understand anything in the topic before, after, or between, please send the message in the chat box. Sir, I did not understand this, or I want you to make me understand again. So I will explain again to you. Okay. Is there anyone? No messages? Ask me no one. All right, guys. So we are going to start a new topic, that is comparing numbers. In comparing numbers, what we will do, guys? We will compare the numbers, which is greater, which is smaller. Okay. And we start reading on page number 22. I'm going to start reading. Look, there are 4 children and there are 4 apples. Let me count the number of children, guys. This is 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Yes, there are 4 children. How many children are there, guys?
4.
Very good. Now I will check the apples. How many apples are there? 1, 2, 3, and 4. And how many apples are there?
4.
Very good. Apples are also 4. So guys, we can say that the number of children is same as the number of apples. Guys, this is very important. Okay, again I'm repeating what you can say, that the number of children is same as the number of apples, is the same as the number of apples. Why same as, guys? Because they both are 4. Children are also 4 and number of apples are also 4. Okay, they both are equal. That's why we can also say that number of children is equal to the number of apples. Or I can write in mathematical form, 4 is equals to 4. This is the sign of equal to. 4 is equals to 4. Both are same, that's mean both are is equals to. Okay, so every child can eat 1 apple. Let's suppose if there is 3 apple, if there are 3 apple, let's suppose this apple is not there. Okay, so and there are 3 apples. So now they are not same. Now we will say the number of children is not same as the number of apples, because number of children are 4 and number of apples are 3. So 4 is greater than 3. So I can say that number of children are more than number of apples. So every children cannot eat 1 apple, because children are more and apples are less. Apples are fewer. Children are more and apples are less. If every children want to have to eat 1 apple, so we need 4 apple. We need the apples same as the number of children. Right, guys? Am I clear to you?
Yes, yes, yes.
Very good. So what you need to understand here, that if the number of children and the number of apples are same, that's mean if they both are, when you count, if the both numbers, when you count, so you found the numbers are same in counting, that's mean the number of apples and the number of children are same, and you can also say the number of children is equal to the number of apples, because they both are 4. Let's come to the page number 23, guys. Look at the number of toy cars and look at the number of toy animals. I am going to count the number of toy cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. How many number of toy cars are there, guys?
8.
8. I will write there are 8 toy cars. Now I am going to count the number of toy animals. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. How many number of toy cars are there, guys?
8 cars. 8
Okay, you are not sure how many are they. Now you are going to count with me. Okay, I'm going to open your mic. You will count with me. Okay. So start counting with me.
काउंट कर सर हाँ
1,
5.
you are not counting together. Tell me how many number of toy animals are there?
5.
There are 5 number of toy cars. Again, I repeat, guys. There are 8 toy cars and there are 5 toy animals. So guys, are the toy cars and the toy animals same? Can I say the number of toy cars is same as the number of toy animals? Can I say that?
Yes.
What I am saying, I'm going to write here so that you can tell me whether it is correct or not. I am saying, if I say the number of toy cars are same as the number of toy animals. Is it the true statement, guys? Yes. Is it the true statement? This is what I'm going to ask you. Is it the true statement or false statement?
No.
Very good, very good. Why no? Because you will say, sir, the number of toy cars are 8 and the number of toy animals are 5. The number of toy cars are 8 and the number of toy animals are 5. 8 is bigger than 5. 8 is greater than 5. So they are not same. So here 8 is bigger than 5. It is bigger than 5. It is greater than 5. Guys, remember this sign. We use 3 signs to compare numbers. This is the first sign, is equals to. This is the second sign, greater than, and this is the third sign, less than. When we have same numbers, we use sign of is equals to, this one. When we have one number which is greater, so the number which is greater, which is bigger, its face should be in front of that number, and the number which is smaller, its end should be in front of that number. Like 8 is greater than 5, so I will open the face of this sign in front of bigger number, and its end should be in front of smaller number. So we use these 3 signs. This is called equal to, this is called greater than, and this is called less than. Clear, guys? 3 signs, greater than, equal to, or less than. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Very good. Again, I repeat, the number which is bigger, like 8 and 5. Okay, because 8 is bigger, so you will open the face of this sign in front of 8, and its end, it should be in front of a smaller number. So here 8 is bigger than 5. 8 is greater than 5. That's why you will say there are more toy cars than toy animals. There are more toy cars than toy animals. The number of toy cars are not same as the number of toy animals. There are more toy cars than toy animals because 8 is greater than 5. 8 is greater than 5. Is it clear, guys?
yes.
Very good. So whenever someone have more things, so someone have more objects or more things or more toys, so you will say it has more. Obviously, when they are not equal, let's suppose we go to the previous example. There were 4 children and there were 4 apples. They both were equal. Both were having 4. Both children were also 4. Apples were also 4. Okay. So they are equal. So you say, sir, children, number of children are equal to number of apples. But when I say that, let's suppose there is no 4 apples, there is 3 apples. Okay. So they are now not equal. When they are not equal, so one should be greater and one should be smaller. One should be bigger and one should be smaller. So because they are 4, they are bigger. They are 3, they are smaller. So here this is bigger. So I can say the children are more than the apples because children are 4. Apples are 3. Children are more. Apples are fewer. What is the opposite of more, guys? We use the opposite of 4, that is fewer. Fewer means less. There are fewer toy animals than toy cars because 5 is smaller than 8. Look, the toy animals are only 5. Whereas toy cars are 8. So 5 is smaller than 8. 5 is smaller than 8. That's why you will say, sir, there are fewer toy animals than toy cars because 5 is less than 8. Am I clear, guys?
Yes.
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 Very good. Very good. Let's take some quick examples for more or fewer. Let's suppose your father give you 4 chocolates. Okay. And your uncle gave you 10 chocolates. So tell me, who gave you more chocolates? Your father or your uncle? Yes, who gave you more chocolates?
Uncle.
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 Yes,
Uncle.
Very good. You will say, sir, uncle gave us more chocolate because father gave us 4, whereas uncle gave us 10. So 10 is bigger than 4. 10 is greater than 4. So you will say, sir, uncle gave more chocolates than father. Or you can also say that father gave fewer chocolates. Father gave fewer chocolates than uncle. Is it clear, guys?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Very good. Very good. Let's take 2 students. Okay. And I'm going to take Ahmad Kamal. Ahmad Kamal.
Yes, sir.
Ahmad Kamal, how many pencils do you have?
2.
2. Okay. And Abdul Rahman Hamdi,
Yes, sir.
how many pencils do you have?
2.
2. So guys, Abdul Rahman Hamdi has 2 pencils and I forgot who, Ahmad Kamal. Ahmad Kamal is also having 2 pencils. So tell me, are they have same number of pencils or Ahmad Kamal has more pencils than Abdul Rahman Hamdi or Abdul Rahman Hamdi has more pencils than Ahmad Kamal? Yes, guys. Tell me your answers in the chat, please. Who has more pencils? Are they same or they have more? Abdul Rahman Hamdi is saying, very good. Muhammad Zain, very good. Farisuddin, very good. They both have 2 pencils. Same, more or fewer. What you will use here? They both have 2 pencils. Very good, very good, very good, guys. I'm going to open your mic. Yes, guys.
Same.
Very good. You will say, sir, they have same number of pencils. Ahmad Kamal and Abdul Rahman Hamdi, they both have same number of pencils. Now, I give you one more example, guys. Let's suppose your brother is studying in grade 6 or grade 5 and he has, let's suppose, 7 notebooks. In his bag he has 7 notebooks and you have 5 notebooks. This is your brother and this is you. You have 5 notebooks and your brother have 7 notebooks. So tell me, how you will say? I'm going to tell. You can say by using more than, or you can say by using fewer, and you can say by using same as. Okay. Your brother is having 7 notebooks and you are having 5 notebooks. How you will say, guys? You will say, my brother has more notebooks than me. Because 7 is bigger than 5. 7 is bigger than 5. You will say, sir, my brother is having more notebooks than me. Or you can say, I am having fewer notebooks than my brother. I am having fewer notebooks than my brother because 5 is smaller than 7. Is it clear, guys?
هاي فريدة غلط ليه؟ لأنه خشمك تمسح وين؟
Yes.
هنا.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's very good. That's very good. Guys, you can compare even your marks as well. You can compare even your marks as well. Let's suppose there are 2 students, okay? One student got marks in math 9. Student A got 9 marks in math test, whereas student B got 8 marks in math test. So tell me, who got more marks in math test? Yes, A or B? Who got more marks?
8 is smaller.
Very good. You will say, sir, A got more marks than B because 9 is bigger than 8. Or if I ask you who got fewer marks, A or B, what you will say then? Who got fewer marks?
B.
Very good. You will say, sir, B because 8 is smaller than 9. 8 is smaller than 9. That's why B got fewer marks than A. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Let's come to one of the practice sheet, guys. Yes. Can you see the scissor balls on your screen?
Yeah.
Yes, I see.
Very good. What you have to do, guys, you have to tell me in the chat box the answer of the question which I'm going to ask. This is group A and this is group B. You have to count the number of scissor balls and you have to tell me which group having more scissor balls, either A or B. Which group having more scissor balls, A or B? Answer me in the chat box, guys. Which group having more scissor balls, A or B? Abdullah Fahad, very good. Why you are writing 3-3, guys? Listen my question first. I'm writing my question for you. The question I'm asking that is, which group has more scissor balls, A or B? This is the question. So either your answer will be A or B. Don't tell me how many are they. Either the answer will be A or B. Fahad, very good. Ahmad Kamal, very good. Muhyiddin Ibrahim, very good. Let me make it private, guys. Yes. Anas Ayman, Abdullah Mustafa, Ahmad Mazen. Anas Ayman Shahada, send message only one time. Don't repeat it. Yusuf, very good. Mikhail, very good. Abdul Rahman, Yusuf, very good. Bandar, very good. Ibrahim Khalil, very good. Raneem Hindi, very good. Abdullah Salhi, very good. Hamza Muhammad, very good. Ghazi Ali, tell me which group have more scissor balls, A or B? Muhammad Zain, very good. All right, guys. I'm going to ask it. Yes, guys. Which group have more scissor balls? A or B?
B. B.
Very good. Why B, guys? Because when you count the number of scissor balls in A, so it is 1, 2, and 3. There are 3 scissor balls in A. But when you count the scissor balls in group B, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It is 5. So 5 is bigger than 3. 5 is greater than 3. Look, I opened its mouth in front of bigger number 5. 5 is bigger than 3. That's why you will say group B is having more scissor balls than group A. Group B is having more scissor balls than group A. Is it clear, guys?
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Now come to this, guys. Forget about the scissor ball now and come to the tennis ball. Now this is group A. Even I'm changing the group now. This is group C and this is group D. Okay. Count the number of tennis balls in group C and group D and tell me which group has fewer tennis balls. They are not asking for more. Which group has fewer tennis balls? Either C or D. Yes, guys. Which group have fewer tennis balls? Very good. Mikhail, Ahmad Saifuddin, Yazan, Taha Mustafa, Abdullah Fahad, Hamza Muhammad. Very good. Mikhail Khan, very good. Yad, very good. Anas, no. Check it again. I'm not asking for more. I'm asking for fewer. Ahmad Kamal, no. Faris, very good. Abdullah Mustafa, very good. Anas Ayman, no. Bender, no. Anas, don't send me message again and again, again and again. If you answer one time, I read it. Don't just type and send. No. All right, guys. So I'm going to take one of the student and I will ask. Even I'm going to open all of your mind. Yes, which group have fewer tennis balls? C or D?
C. D.
Very good. C. Some are saying C, some are saying D. Okay. Let's check it, guys. What does that mean? Fewer. Fewer means less. Fewer means less. Let's count the number of tennis balls. This is 1. How many balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There are 6 tennis balls. And in D, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There are 5 tennis balls. So guys, which is smaller? 5 is smaller or 6 is smaller?
5 is smaller.
5 is smaller than 6. 5 is smaller or less than 6. So group D has fewer tennis balls than group C. Or you can say group C has more tennis ball than group D, because group C has 6 balls, whereas group D has only 5 balls. So group D has fewer tennis ball than group C. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. So I hope, guys, the concept of more and fewer is clear to you. Is it clear to you, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Now I am going to do this for you. Circle the group with more mice. Again, I'm going to count with you, count it for you, and you will tell me which group have more mice. This is group A, and this is group B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 mice in this group. And in B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And there are 8 mice. So 7 is less than 8, or 8 is bigger than 7. So guys, which group have more mice, A or B? A is having 7 or B is having 8. So which is bigger? 7 is bigger or 8 is bigger?
Eight is bigger. Eight is bigger.
That's very good, guys. So what you have to do, you will say, sir, 8 is bigger than 7. 8 is greater than 7, right? So there are more mice in group A than B. There are more mice in group A than B. Clear, guys? That's very good. Now we have circle the group with fewer bugs. This is group C and this is group D. This is group D. I will check how many bugs are there in group C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 bugs. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So there are 8 bugs. So 8 is smaller than 9. It is less than 9. And 9 is bigger than or greater than 8. Yes, guys, which is smaller? 8 is smaller or 9 is smaller?
8 is smaller.
Very good. 8 is smaller. So what you will say? Group C has fewer bugs or group D? Which have fewer bugs?
D.
Very good. Group D have fewer bugs than group C. So guys, the concept of more and fewer, it is clear to you?
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes.
Very good. When the number of objects are same, so in order to compare these number of that number of objects, you will say they are same as or they are equal to. When the two group objects are not equal, so obviously one should be greater or one should be smaller. So for greater, you will say it has more, and for smaller, you will say it has fewer. In that way, you can compare group of objects of two groups. Clear, guys?
Yes.
That's very good. Now let's come to the book. There are 8 toy cars and 5 toy animals. So you said there are more toy cars than toy animals because 8 is greater than 5. There are fewer toy animals than toy cars because 5 is smaller than 8. Look here guys, a number track can also help us compare which number is greater, 82 or 77. In the practice, in the worksheet, we were practicing for counting 5, 7, 8, 10. But what if someone asks you the bigger number like 82, 77, 99, 49, 59? So how you can compare it? You can compare it with the help of number track, guys. Look. This is the number track starting from 71 to 82. Which number is greater, 82 or 77? The number will be greater than 77 will come after 77. Okay. These number comes after 77 on the number track. So they are greater than 77. Whatever the number come after 77, that's mean that is bigger than 77. That is bigger than 77. And whatever the number that come before 77, these all numbers are smaller than 77. So in order to find out a number is bigger or smaller, what you will check? 82 is bigger or 77? Check where is 77 on the number track. This is 77 and 82 comes after 77. 82 comes after 77. That's mean 82 is bigger. 82 is greater because 82 comes after 77. But if I ask you 70 is bigger than 77 or smaller than 77? So you will see where is 77. This is 77 and 70 comes before. Let's suppose make it 70. There is no 70. It's 71. So you will say, sir, 71 comes before 77. So 71 is smaller. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Very good. We will do again. We will practice for this number track also, and whatever we have studied about more and less, we will complete the practice zone also. So, guys, our class time is finished. Inshallah, meet you tomorrow. Until then, take care. Bye bye.
Bye. Bye, sir.